I missed you.
I wrote you letters. Did you not get them? Amber Rose.
Hi, Rue.
So happy you're here.
Thank you for having me.
Aisha Tyler.
Rue, yoo-hoo.
This week, we challenged our girls to do their best celebrity impressions. Tonight, they've come to the main stage wearing their favorite drag looks. Gentlemen, start your engines, and may the best woman win. Jada, Sophia. It looks like she's going back to her roots.
I love the dark, wicked bitch look. I feel so powerful.
Mary Gauthier.
It's Gaga Gautier.
Shangela.
Oh, and the reveal, what? I picked out this beautiful cream-colored structure gown design. First time we see a black woman whose hair can provide shelter from the rain.
Can you save me a slice of that hair pie?
The lights are amazing.
Gorgeous lights.
I am a wild animal on the runway. I stalk my prey, I hunt, and I pound.
Let me just say, as a black woman, I have a very flat ass, and now I know where it all went.
It all went to Mariah. She took it all. Russia.
I go to war.
That's right. Shaka Zulu, honey.
The look I've chosen is quite global. Just kind of National Geographic drag, apocalypto.